Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off show view updates on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings you want to swipe up to go down, and in here tap on developer options, and then we swipe up to go down and go down. In here tap on show view updates, tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off, and you can see that it says flash views inside windows when drawn, so the screen will flash inside on that particular windows when there is an update redrawn of the display, not the whole screen, but only areas where it is refreshed. And again, if you don't need it, you can switch it off, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.